Extreme storms, severe convective storms. An increased amount of severe convective storms has threatened the Midwest and southern Great Plains of the U.S. This region is particularly vulnerable due to its subsequent effect of temperature, humidity, and wind on severe storm development, and as such have been deemed as severe thunderstorm environments. This is supported by the findings from a series of models, GCMs, which evaluates CAPE and S06. The results of these findings use the method of dynamical downscaling, or the method of downscaling a global climate model's output to a smaller scale by using another high-resolution dynamical model called a regional climate model. This is typically used to pinpoint certain trends of a particular regional area. The forecasts in terms of environmental change are also shown by these series of models, GCMs. Among these proxy-based studies is a projected increase in the frequency as well as intensity of severe thunderstorm environments in the U.S. over the mid to late 21st century. This is especially prevalent in the Midwest and southern Great Plains during the periods from March to May. Thus far, communities in these areas have experienced significant loss of both life and property. Severe tornadoes and thunderstorms account for more than 1/3 of the total $1 billion in economic losses due to weather disasters over the last 25 years in the U.S. These damages have continued to increase since 1980.